Welcome to episode 1 of this Arduino beginner course. Today we are going to answer the most important question: what is Arduino? By the end of this video, you'll understand what a microcontroller is, what tools you need, and you'll prepare your computer to start programming. Arduino is the easiest way to start learning electronics and coding, and in this course we're going from zero to building real projects. So, what exactly is Arduino? Arduino is a small programmable device called a microcontroller. Think of it as a tiny microcomputer that can read inputs from sensors and control outputs like motors, LEDs, buzzers, and much more. This chip here is the brain of the Arduino. It runs your code, it reads signals, and controls everything in your project. These pins are how the Arduino connects to the real world. Digital pins can turn things on and off, and analog pins can read values from sensors like light or temperature. There are many Arduino models, but as a beginner you only need to know 3. Arduino Uno, which is the most common board, Arduino Nano, smaller, great for small projects, and Arduino Mega, for advanced projects with many inputs. For this course, we'll use the Arduino Uno, because it's simple and every beginner kit includes one. To follow this episode, you only need a few basic components: an Arduino board, a USB cable, and a computer. You don't need soldering, special tools, or any experience. Everything will be explained step by step. Step 1 is installing the Arduino IDE, the program we use to write code and upload it to the board. Go to arduino.cc, click on Products, and under the Software tab, click on the Arduino IDE. Now, select your system from the tab and download the IDE. Install it just like any other program. Once it's ready, open it and you'll see the main workspace. Now, plug the Arduino into your computer using the USB cable. If the Arduino IDE prompts you to install additional drivers, accept and install them. In the IDE, go to Tools, Board, and select Arduino Uno. Then go again to Tools, Port tab, and choose the port where your Arduino is connected. After selecting the board and the port, upload this blank sketch to see if everything is working fine. If it works, we can proceed to the next step. If the Arduino board does not appear under the port tab, we need to install an additional USB driver. This one is called CH340. I will provide a link in the description. The first program every Arduino beginner uploads is called Blink. It makes this small LED turn on and off. This LED right here is built into the board. That means you don't need any components for your first program. To open the Blink program, go to File, Examples, Basic, and select Blink. This Arduino file is called a sketch, and it contains all the code for the microcontroller to run. Click on the Upload button, wait a few seconds, and if everything is correct, your Arduino is now blinking. Congratulations! This is your first Arduino program. You've officially completed episode 1. In the next episode, we'll break down the Blink program line by line so you understand exactly how the Arduino code works, including setup, loop, and digital pins. If you want to follow the full course, subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you have questions or need help, drop a comment. I will answer every question.